Back today, so back. Should I open should I open that window? Does that sound a lot better? I do? Hi, Mystery. I'm what are you even up to? Blooded. Alright, I'm gonna leave. Where are you flying to, Kagi? Yeah, maybe I should. I ran out of ginger. Like, actually meeting up, I don't know. Did I hear wrong? I might have wrongly heard something about collabs. No, but I really noticed. But what if there's no warm air here? Actually, that's smart. Morg is so many. Nilla? Her name is Nilla? What did you say? I'll play the Drake album afterwards. She's S tier right now. So a little bit. Hate watcher. What is this? A little bit. What? My favorite streamer, but David and Auntie. Hi, Pickly. How have you been? Like, you still, you like hate listen to, that you enjoy, like someone. Dentist. Yeah, I'm not a dentist. The song. No, like, it wanted a sides break it up. Honestly, I trolled though. I'm a rager. What's wrong with that song, Pickly?